Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to see your comments on YouTube videos, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your comments or the comments you have made on the YouTube videos, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon where it says you at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and this kind of page will appear where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it, and over here guys you can see the manage all story button available for us over here just below the billing and payments. Over here tap on manage all story and it's let it load. And over here guys at the top right corner just below your profile picture icon you can see the interactions option available for us. Tap on the interactions button, and over here guys you can see your comment and replies button. If you tap on it, all the comments you did on YouTube will be available over here and shown to you. And also you can see your video likes and dislikes and many more. And guys, this is how to view your comments on YouTube or the comments you have made on YouTube videos. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.